Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to fix a chipped windshield. Today we'll be using this VersaChem chip repair kit, which is effective for repair of most bullseyes, star damage, small spiderweb cracks, and chips up to 1¼ inches in laminated windshields. Most other chip repair kits will have similar procedures, but be sure to refer to the specific instructions for your kit before beginning the repair. Once you've got your kit and supplies, here's what you'll do. Start by preparing the surface by scraping and cleaning any loose glass particles out of the pit. Use an alcohol wipe to clean the area surrounding the chip on both the inside and the outside of the windshield. Once the area is clean, peel the backing off one side of the application ring so that the adhesive on that side is exposed. Place it carefully on the windshield with the exposed adhesive against the glass, the hole around the chip, and the tab pointed up. Now peel the backing off the side facing you. Align the plastic injector base with the ring you've secured around the chip, making sure the tabs are aligned, and press it into place. Apply pressure all the way around the base to make sure the seal is airtight. Cut or twist the tip off the lid to your tube of resin. The tip will fit inside the tube on the injector base. Insert the tip into the base and squeeze 3/4 of the resin into the tube. Now remove the resin tube. Insert the syringe into the base and slowly pull the stopper up. Once it reaches the top, leave it there and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the syringe briefly from the tube. You'll then reinsert it in the tube. Turn the plunger sideways so that the notch in the middle will catch, and push the plunger back down till the middle notch stops at the hilt of the syringe. Let it sit in this position for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the syringe. Using a razor blade if needed, carefully remove the whole adhesive ring and base from the windshield. To ensure the crack is completely filled and that it cures properly, apply the remaining resin to the dimple in the windshield. Then lay the curing strip flat across it. Spread the strip out as flat as possible against the repair and let it cure in the sun. Make sure not to park in the shade while the resin is curing. Once that last bit of resin has had the chance to cure in the sunlight for at least 15 minutes, or on a cloudy day for at least an hour, remove the strip. If the surface is uneven, use your razor blade to carefully scrape any uneven spots or excess resin until the repair is flat against the surface of the glass. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.